it is very frozen, as you can see. And it is frosty in the morning, so I wouldn't expect it. Yeah, look at that. See how frozen that thing is? Let me see the camera. A little ice on it. It's about 39 degrees out, so I got some of this, so I'm not gonna wait for it to cross. The ream and the carrier and the brine has not been running, just this one. Mostly lost. Obviously, air is going out the side. But yeah, frosty 2011 Ducane heat pump. Barely even hear the compressor. Woke up in the morning and I saw this. I don't know, you can see it's quite frosty. So, anyways, that's all I wanted to make. I'm not going to stick around for the defrost. Alright. Well, you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy, and I'll be a peace out.